All right, here's an interesting find. Somebody has done the inner wheel end joint on this older vintage Ram. And then the customer came here complaining of a rotational noise. So I did a little investigative work and isolated it to this wheel and found that, let's see if we can get some light on the subject matter, found that the dust shield or backing plate or what you call it is actually positioned so that the portion that should be kind of cut out that allows the brake pad to contact the rotor, the caliper mounts here. Basically, this is how the brake pad was attached with the caliper there. And as you can see, that kind of uses the backing plate as a friction material. And that's no bueno. Because that's what happens to the rotor afterwards. It puts these cool grooves in it. So yeah, this is not supposed to be that way, folks. Just another friendly reminder from the Car Doctor channel. Always get your backing plate in the right place. Looks like they did a pretty good job on the U-joint. So I'll give them that. But basically, we got to pull this hub, rotate this to the right position, and it's going to need some brake work. Oh well. Yikes. Guys, we got to be more careful here. That's embarrassing. All right. Have a great day, YouTube land. Hope you have been entertained. Bye-bye.